Daily English Expression Day 2. 4. Expressing gratitude. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton. I can't thank you enough. That's incredibly kind of you. I'm truly grateful. You're a lifesaver. I owe you one. Thank you so much for your help. Your generosity is appreciated. You're the best. Many thanks. I'm so thankful for your support. Your kindness means a lot to me. Thank you for everything. I'm grateful for your time. 5. Making a request. Can you pass me the salt? Would you mind getting me a glass of water? I was wondering if you could help me carry this box. Could you help me with the math homework? Can you give me a hand with the assembly of this furniture? Would it be possible for you to give me a ride to the airport? I would really appreciate it if you could proofread my paper. Can I ask for your assistance with making dinner tonight? Would you be so kind as to watch my dog while I'm away? I hate to trouble you, but would you mind lending me some money? Can you help me out with fixing this computer issue? Would it be all right if I asked you to volunteer at the local food bank with me? I'm in a bit of a bind. Could you help me with the project due tomorrow? 6. Responding to a request. Sure, no problem. Of course, I'd be happy to. Absolutely. Definitely, I can do that. You got it. I'd be happy to help. My pleasure. No worries, I can take care of it. It's not a problem at all. I don't mind at all. That's not a problem for me. Sure thing. Just let me know what you need. Absolutely, I'll do what I can. I'd be glad to assist. No problem, I'll take care of it. I'm here to help.